Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you information on how to fix your eyesight with the best skill. Necessary skill to learn is relaxation of facial muscles, relaxation of the eyes and whole body. It's super important. Any physiological and psychological problems of our body can be reflected in our eyes. Our eyes and eye muscles are very sensitive, and any uncomfortable or stressful situation can affect eyesight. Because strained eye muscle can deform the eyeball shape and impair proper refraction. Various clamps in the neck, in the legs, in the hips, in the shoulders, somewhere else, will always be reflected in eyes. Eye muscle get tensed very easily if any other tension in the body. The very first and one of the basic skills is to learn to relax completely with your whole body. Relax, and not only relax your eyes, but to be able to relax completely will help to improve your eyesight naturally. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.